I'm Dina Pancoast, creative process designer and facilitator with ITG, and my pick for this summer's innovation reading list is Platters and Boards by Shelley Westerhausen and Wyatt Warcell. This is a beautifully photographed recipe book with tons of inspiration for all year round, any time of day or evening, and vegetarians and carnivores alike. I find this book enticing for a couple of reasons. First, cooking, baking, and entertaining are great ways to unlock your creativity at home and make something gorgeous for yourself, for your family, or for guests. Secondly, this charcuterie board, cheese board idea is one that has come up in some way, shape, or form in countless idea generation sessions that I've participated in over the past year in all kinds of categories. So if eating and drinking ignites your creativity and gets you excited, then please enjoy Platters and Boards. Bon appetit!